Welcome everyone to Carol's Art Room. Today in my video I'm going to do an 8x8 canvas, a bloom. I'm going to try to do a more negative space. I did one earlier. I don't know if you've seen this video yet or not, where I did the puddle smaller and it left lots of negative space, and then I was able to modify or embellish the edges a little more. So yeah, I really like this one. I'm going to try it in some prettier color, not prettier colors, but different colors. Some gold, yellows, and navy. So please stick around and come and watch me do it. Hi everyone, welcome. I'm going to do this bloom on this 8x8 canvas. Okay, so I already am going over an old painting that I'm not fond of. And when you do this, these take longer to dry because it's not over the canvas, it's over another painting. And I'm going to put it in under a box. As I find in the winter time, with the heat on, they crack easier. They dry too fast, so you want them to dry slow. All right, now let's see the colors. Show you my colors. I've got some silver. This is Josanya silver. I've got some pearl yellow and Amsterdam Decor pearl, which it looks like it needs a bit of a stir. Got some gold, Pebeo. I got, this is phthalo blue and golden ultramarine blue mixed together. And then I have a navy that I made out of oxide black and cyan blue by Golden. I think I'll put this one down first. It's probably, I'm gonna try and make a small flower, not a big one. Hopefully I can do that. Oh yes, and I also have some Dairy Laid Yellow by Deco Art Premium. Okay, so now I think I'll put the gray silver. I try to sometimes do an experiment beforehand to see how these colors work together, but I didn't do that today. I'll put this darker yellow. So I'm hoping for the best here. This blue seems very thick. I just made more of this one up. Now, which color do I want? I'm going to use black and white cell activator, I think. So I'm going to put some blue. This is like the ultramarine blue. some gold. Now the yellow. This is an extreme sheen color. Oh, I think my flower might be a little big. I don't know. Oh, I hope I get negative space. There's so many things that you need to focus on. It's hard to focus on everything. This consistency and the colors you lay down. All right, let's try this. Some white. Actually, this is a Payne's Gray that I made out of oxide black and cobalt blue. I'll try my blower. Let's see what we get here. It blew out nicely. I was happy with the way it blew out. I didn't get a lot of big white spots. I think it's good when the pillow is thick and not thick, but there's lots of paint underneath, so lots of colors layered. That looks pretty. I'll go the other way. Okay, I think my corners are done. See if my middle is still moving. I don't want the paint to move too much, because then it might. It's moving a little bit. I think I got to spin it a bit more. Oh, I really like this. Yes, there's green, but there's gold and there's blue. And I like the green that it made. It's a pretty green. Still got movement there. I'm gonna go the other direction now. I didn't put any paint underneath my canvas to hold it, but once it starts to run down the side, it'll hold. It's looking pretty nice now. Still moving. Not getting as much negative space as I was hoping. Maybe one more spin and then I think I'll leave it. Okay, yes, not so much negative space as my other one, but it looks really nice. I like it a lot. I don't really have a lot of room to do any more embellishing, so I might just leave it the way it is because it's very pretty. Still moving a little bit in the middle, but I think I'll leave it and let it dry under my box. There you go. I'm going to leave this one. I like it the way it is. Thanks for watching and have a great day. So next time I need to still make my puddle a little smaller if I want more negative space. Maybe try a different color background. Ooh. All right. Thanks for watching and come back to Carole's Art Room. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks for subscribing if you have. Comment below. Give me a like. All that good stuff. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. Here's my dried canvas, 8 by 8. I just love this one. I didn't use any green, but I love how the green came out. It's beautiful. It's got a nice shine to it also. Dried smooth. There you go. There's the dried one. Thanks for watching and have a good day, everyone. Bye.